No, Jason, don't block the TV. Don't block the screen. What's wrong with you? Um, I'm going. Oh, yeah, look at you spitting on me. Ah! Ah! Saliva is spitting. Oh, I'm going to sing a song. What do you like me to sing? And this song is entitled Jason. The title of the song is "A Gambler" by Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers. Do you know Kenny, Jason? Kenny? Your Uncle Kenny? Your Uncle Kenny? Jason? Your Uncle Kenny Rogers?
I want that one. I want that.
What?
I want one of that.
I'm going to sing. Oh, what's happened? There's no camera. What happened to this? It's not detecting camera.
Maybe the computer is dead.
It's not dead. It's working.
I don't know.
It's working. It's just that this one cannot detect. You look at the camera is open. Oh, look at me. It's me. Oh, I'm there. I'm there. Look. I'm just going to.
Would you read that?
Let me see.
Would you read that?
It is auto detecting.
What?
Auto detecting.
Auto texting?
Yeah. It will detect by itself. Ah. No. Oh, look. Look. Oh, there's something wrong. It's not. Oh, it's not. That takes time. What happened to this? Let me pull this out from this app. Ay, ako. Yan. Oh, there.
Would you read it? Read it. Read it. Read that. Read that.
No camera was found.
The camera's
I have to
out.
do it again, okay?